If you are in need of red cap assistance will be provided in
the first one, the beef, and
Yeah, you can hear. I still have to get your order.
okay, great.
Bring your purchases back to your coach class, or back to your coach seats, or to your sleeper. This is train 50, we're bound for New York. Now that you're comfortably seated and reviewed the safety information card in the seat back pocket in front of you does point out.
time when the freight trains couldn't get their way across the track.
Newark, downtown Jersey is your destination. Please make your way back. Make your way back until you see a crew member.
In command.